How to pay yourself from an LLC. You've formed an LLC and you're making money. That's great news, but it begs the question, how do you pay yourself as an LLC? Do you just write out a check? Or do you pay yourself a salary, deduct employment taxes, and give yourself a paycheck? The answer depends on how your LLC is structured for tax purposes. Here are the 3 most common ways owners pay themselves in an LLC. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose Zen Business because they are one of the best entity formation platforms out there in the market. And get worry-free services and support to launch your business starting at $0 plus state fees. That also includes 1 optional free year of worry-free compliance that renews at $199 per year. Now I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Zen Business, and I'm also going to review their service. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. Scroll down a little and below the business type section, you will see the Start an LLC option. Click on the green button and your LLC formation process will begin. Then put your business name and the state you want to form your LLC at. After you are done, click on Next. As you can see, it says my business name is available for registration in the state of California. As you can see, they have this cool question-answer checkbox type interface that basically guides you through the whole LLC formation process. Now, for this question, I'm going to answer lots and click on the Next button. In the next question, it asks whether you have employees or not. Since I do not have any employees, I will select the No option and click on Next. In the next question, it asks you whether your business address is different from your home address. Always answer this question by clicking the Yes option because you don't want to give away your home address to potential clients, customers, agencies, and other service providers. Zen Business has its own business mail address service which will cost you an extra $25 per year, and I highly recommend you get that service so that you can keep your business address and home address separated. Here, it's asking you what industry your business falls under. Just click on the blank option, type your industry name, and select the one you are planning to start. Now, it's asking me to save my progress. I will select Save My Progress and click on Next. In this section, enter your legal first and last name, your email address and a valid phone number and click on Next. After that, it will ask you whether you want to get their registered agent service or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Zen Business charges $199 per year for their registered agent service, which is not a lot in my opinion, and if you choose to get a registered agent through them, then they will only charge this fee after your LLC has been registered. Now, in the next section, it's asking you whether you need EIN and business document service. You can file your EIN for $0 from your state's website. But if you don't have any EIN and want to file for one hassle-free, then you can select the $99 option and Zen Business will handle everything for you. Now in the next section, Zen Business is asking you to choose a package. Remember, registered agent service is not included with any of these packages. Personally, I recommend you to go for the Pro plan, which will cost you $199 per year plus a $5 California state filing fee, which varies from state to state. I recommend this package because it includes an operating agreement and worry-free compliance service, which you are going to need anyway when filing for an LLC. The premium plan's going to cost you $299 per year, and it includes everything from the starter and Pro plan. Plus, they are going to help you register your LLC faster and set up your business website, business email, and domain name. After selecting your desired package, click on Next. In the next sections, they will try to upsell you with their additional services which you don't necessarily need at the initial stage of your business. Now click on Review and Checkout button. Then, it's going to ask you to thoroughly check all of your information correctly again before placing your order. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order and you will receive your LLC within 7 to 9 business days. Okay, now let's get back in video and how to pay yourself from an LLC. Write a check to yourself from profits. When you form a limited liability company, LLC, by default, taxes, Social Security and Medicare, on the entire $175,000 even if you only take $90,000. You have income taxes, Social Security, and Medicare taxes withheld from the $90,000 salary. You will still have to pay income taxes on the $85,000 distribution, but you won't have to pay any self-employment tax on it. That can be a huge savings. Here's how it works out. Social Security and Medicare savings with an S corporation election. One member LLC yearly profit equals $175,000. Owner savings, $13,005, 26,775 to 13,700. distributions. To do this, the business has to be a corporation or an LLC taxed as a corporation or S corporation. Why should you form an LLC if you're a one-person business? Setting a business up as an LLC makes it a separate legal entity from you. Of its own bank account. All company income goes into the LLC account and all expenses get paid from that account. What is an owner's draw, and how is it different from a paycheck? An owner's draw is not a wage or salary. It's money business owners withdraw from the business profits and give to themselves whenever they want. It's the only way sole proprietors and owners of LLCs that are treated like a sole proprietorship for tax purposes can pay themselves. A paycheck is the payment of wages to an employee. It's the employee's salary, minus income tax, FICA, and any other withholdings. No taxes are withheld on an owner's draw. The owner reports the income and calculates the taxes due on their personal return. Can I avoid taxes by leaving profits in the LLC account? No. Owners are taxed on all the profits of the LLC in the year the profits are incurred. So, if the business has profits that haven't been taken out as a draw or paid out in salary, those profits will pass through to the owners and must be taxed on their personal tax returns. Let me take you through the dashboard right now, and sorry for the bad camera angle because I'm trying to hide a few of my personal details. We're going to click on login using our email and password. You're going to be greeted with congrats. Your formation is now complete. Now you can view your business profile, or you can scroll down and take the next steps. That looks like setting up a business bank account and applying for a business credit card, and you can do that all within the Zen Business dashboard. The great thing about Bank of America is that they are running a $500 promotion. You can get up to $200 with the Business Advantage Banking Cash Bonus, and you can get up to $300 if you spend at least $3,000 within the first 90 days. So, this is a total of $500. Doesn't this make starting a business a little bit easier when you're getting some cash back? And you can access all of this right from the Zen Business dashboard. You can also apply for a business credit card. The first credit card they recommend is the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. With this card, you can get a $250 cashback bonus, but you do have to have good personal credit. If you scroll down, there are some other credit cards that they offer, but you do have to have good personal credit for all of these cards. If you keep scrolling down, they have Zen Business Money. It includes expert tax management, expense tracking, and advanced invoicing. So, you have the ability to get Zen Business Money. Currently, they have a free plan as well as a $30 a month plan. They also have an amendment section, so if ever you need to change your business address, let's say you level up and decide to switch your home address with your business address, you can file an amendment right here. As you can see, I've purchased an amendment because I made the switch most recently to get a virtual business office. I did not want my home address listed publicly under my business. Then, you have the annual report filing. As you see, because I bought the Pro plan, it lets me know that the next report is due May 15th, and all I have to do is fill out a few questions, and they file the paperwork for me. This is an important document to have, especially if you're going to the big banks like Chase or Bank of America. They might ask for a bank resolution template before they let you open up a business bank account. Then, you have the operating agreement, the business document template library, as well as the certificate of good standing. So, there is a bunch of information on this dashboard, but it lays it out very clearly for you as well as gives a description of what each one is. Then you can see other services that they offer as well. I did purchase a DBA, which is doing business as, which is basically a fancy way of saying I have a different name for my business than the official name that you formed your business with. You can also see worry-free compliance service is included in my dashboard since I purchased the Pro plan, and also EIN since paying an additional $99 can help you secure one in a faster way. And that's all for today. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.